Hello friends, this is Jagbir Singh and today we are going to learn about key plan. So just for your information, this topic is a small part of my upcoming video on shop drawing or construction drawing, how we can create drawings in Revit and this is a small part of it. So that video will be coming day after tomorrow or so. I'm currently working on that, and believe me, it is going to be very detailed video, and I will be covering each and every part of construction drawing, how we produce it, what are the different methods and standard, and how we do tag the services, how we create combined services drawing, and how we create individual services drawing. So this is first step towards that video, and if you want to learn that, then please you like this video and subscribe my channel so that you will be notified for my upcoming video on construction drawing or shop drawings. So make sure you keep your notification on. So this is my project which I will be using for the upcoming videos as well. So this is my 17th video in Revit training series. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, I will be giving a link to my playlist in the description so you can watch them. So now, and for your practice, if you want to get this project, if you want to do practice at your place, then just drop your email in my comments section of this video. Then I will be mailing this file to you and all relevant files which are required for the practice. So now let's go to the video. Okay, so this is my project. So what is a key plan and why we use it? So first of all, a key plan is kind of a representation of particular view onto a master plan of the building. So let me show you here. So I have a overall view. So this is a overall view of my entire building, but when we are producing drawings, then we are not putting the entire building onto one single sheet. So if the building is huge, if it is very large and it cannot be accommodated into one sheet, then what we do is we divide that building into separate zone based on how much area can be populated onto one sheet, which is still readable for the construction purposes. So that's how we divide. So for example, if I see I can divide this building into 3 zones, just for the educational purpose I'm saying. So this is zone 1, zone 2 or zone 3. So each sheet will be having one zone, and then I will be like, if somebody is there on the construction site, how he will not get to know that the drawing which he is holding, which portion of the building it is. So that key plan will give that information to that person, that what area is of the master plan is right now he is holding on to. So I will be explaining this with one example. So this is my overall plan. So how we create a key plan? A key plan can be created two ways. One way is like if you like make a masking of this entire layout, and you can just like import into a that as a symbol into a annotation family. Or what you can do is, which I prefer and which is more effective in my understanding of Revit, is like you export your overall master plan into a CAD drawing, and then you import that into a annotation family. I will be showing you why. So let's go. So before we go further, I just want to tell everybody, because I get request in comments that somebody wants to learn Revit from me from professional level. So if anybody wants to learn Revit from me so that you can handle projects of your own, so you can contact me on my email address right here. You drop your email to me and I will contact back to you, and I will be able to give you a online training on Revit, Dynamo or Navisworks. So if you are looking for those trainings, please write to me. Thank you. So now what we will be doing, we will be exporting. So let me, because in a key plan we do not need all the mechanical electrical services. So you see there are mechanical services, there are electrical services, and then there is like all the panels and walls, like for the toilet there are so many things. Then there is panel schedule is there are so many things in that. So it would be a good project to learn and make yourself like familiar with the MEP services. And then there is like there was some reports as well as, so this is electrical equipment connection schedule. So there were report, load report. So you can see this like all your project information, your building checks, weather data, all the reports are there. So it is a good project all in all for a learning experience. So let's back to the topic at hand. So what I will do, I do not need all the services to be shown in my key plan. So what I will do, I will control my visibility graphics. I will change the sections, scope boxes, sections I do not need, elevations I do not need, elevation symbols I do not need, and then I will filter out here all the mechanical, electrical, plumbing services, turn them off. Okay, so this is only my architectural and structural, and the most important thing is the grids. So because whenever somebody is on the site, they 99.99% they refer the location of anything, any installation based on the grids. So my grids are very important here. So what I will do is like I will export it. So this topic will also be covered how to export a layout of Revit into drawing. So I am going for export here, drawing, DWZ. Okay, so I'm going for next. I'm giving it name as my key plan. Okay, so I'm keeping this turn off because what it will do, it will create the instances of my linked files as drawing separately. So my drawing has been exported. So now what I will do is to create a key plan, I will go file, open, family, and then you go for file, new, family, and then you go for annotation and then go for metric generic annotation, because a key plan is a annotation symbol which will be imported. So I delete this, and now what I will do is like I will go for insert, import cat, and this is the where I exactly exported. So let me check. Okay, so here import CAD, this is my key plan. I'm keeping everything on, open. So it is saying there is nothing in my paper space. Yes, go. So this is my plan, but you see it is a very big as compared to the file itself. So what I will do, I have to scale it down. So unpin it. So whenever you will be importing any drawing into Revit, it will always be pinned, so you have to unpin it and then you have to scale it down. So sometimes what it does is like you get confused. So here it is. So what you will do is like you will bring it, because the cross of these two reference plane is the point where it is going to be imported when you will bring it as a symbol. So it should always be on it. So let me scale it down a bit more. So now you will be having some idea how it is. So let me scale a bit more down. So you can adjust it once you will bring this thing into your Revit. So let's say tiny bit. Okay, so now all the grids are there. So now what I will do is like I will be creating the zones here to represent which area it is representing onto the sheet. So for that we will be going to go for filled region and then make zone 1, let's say here. Okay, so I will be calling it finish, select, so for just rename it as, let's say, zone A. Okay, and your color I want to give as, let's say, red. Okay, red. Now the pattern, how you want to, some people go for red color, but I don't know, like solid fill, but I will not be going for solid fill. So I will be taking this and I will be making, okay, so that seems okay. And so it will be like this, but it seems very less space. So let's say 0.5. Custom and 0.5, let's say. Okay, so it is already there, and so here I have to edit fill pattern, or let's say I want to make it 1, and now go for OK. So now it seems a bit more dense, and you can also customize like your line weight when you will be printing. Let's say it's 5. Okay, so now this is created as a filled region, but now you have to create it as a parameter. So I'm going here and go for new parameter. I want to name as zone A. Why I'm doing this, I will be showing you when I will be putting it onto a sheet. So go for instance here and parameter under my graphics, go for OK. Now Now again create one more filled region. Now go for till grid number 3 and this get this wall inside. Okay, so I will be, so all that setting would be applicable to this as well. So what I have to say about this one is zone B. Okay, and go again, new parameter, instance again, now again go for one more and I'm taking on the left of the grid 3 or again till this point. Now zone C. Okay, instance graphics. Okay, now what I will do is like I will close, yes, definitely. Key plan family, let's say I'm overwriting my existing one which I made for the practice, so yes. So I am going for, now you see I do not want to place it yet, so I am going for a sheet. So let's say I want to place here, so this one, this is zone A sheet. So what I will do is like I will go, then how to bring that, sometimes we forget. So if you want to place that, then you there are two methods I will tell you which one, how they work. So I'm going for families, go for, because we created a annotation symbol, so go for annotation symbols, and then there would be key plan family, expand and drag and drop. So this is your key plan, so let's place it here. So now by default all the visibilities, all the areas will be masked. So what I will do is like I will select it, so the three parameters which we created will be available here, zone A, zone B, zone C. So which area it is representing this sheet? Zone A. So just keep zone A on and you see zone B and C are off. So if you so now it is telling on this particular sheet we are here in the building. Okay, so now if there is other sheet, let's say if it is of zone, let's create one more sheet and okay, and if we have to create let's say zone C or let's say zone B, here place, and if you now you can, now you will be noticing that every time I'm creating a sheet I'm putting my key plan and turning on and off my relevant zone. But what if I do not have to do it rework again and again? So in order to do that, there is one good trick I want to tell you. So select the family of the title block itself, added the family, and in that family of the title block you bring your key plan. Insert, or let's say load family, your key plan family, CM, annotation symbol, key plan, bring it here, and here you can so you will be noticing there is a visibility extra parameter because this is for the entire key plan, because it is now part of this family. So now what I will do is like I will load, yes. Now if I next time create a sheet, alright, yeah. So now let's say we are going to create, so because now it is having double, so now remove it. So now if I am going to create a new sheet, so it will be automatically coming into that one. Okay, so for all zone A sheet, because in zone A there will be lots of sheets, for example there will be circuit diagram sheet, there will be HVAC sheet, there will be plumbing sheet, where there will be a firefighting sheet. So in that particular family what I will do is like I will put zone A on, and I will include that into the title block family itself, and then I will be creating a separate title block family for zone B, zone C. Then I do not have to again and again each and every sheet I have to bring and on and off, so it will be my one-time solution. So I want to make a request here that if it was helpful for you, then please like my video. Why it is very important to like the video? Because it makes a huge difference when you like a video, so that I can get more views through YouTube algorithms, because when you like the video, YouTube will automatically recommend my video to other people. So this way my videos can get a bigger reach. So that's why I so many times make a request that please like my videos, because I make so many efforts to make these videos so that anybody can learn from what I know, and I can know from your questions. So if you want to get this particular project file, write your email in my comment section, so I will be sending this file to you and all the relevant families and all those things. So this is Jagbir Singh signing off. Jai India, Jai Bharat.